Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to install and activate WordPress plugins. Why would you want to know how to install and activate WordPress plugins? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to install and activate WordPress plugins. So today I am going to show you how to install and activate WordPress plugins. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Installing and activating WordPress plugins is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will install and activate WordPress plugins. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to plugins in the left menu and then click on add new. Now in this page you can install any plugin. If you want to install a specific plugin, then first select a plugin and click on install now. And then after installing, click on activate. And now your plugin has been activated. So there you go. If you were wondering how to install and activate WordPress plugin, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.